Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need permissions and a connection now. First, confirm RS File Manager version and Android build so commands match. Once done, grant storage permission and free about 1/2 GB internal cache to avoid write failures. Next, connect via USB or enable Wi-Fi ADB. This lets you run the specific restore commands. While you set up, keep developer options visible. You're starting with the exact prerequisites, so subsequent steps won't fail. Now execute the middle steps that actually fix access. First run a DB devices, then a DB shell to confirm the device responds. If prompted, accept the RSA key. Once connected, clear RS cache via settings and use app storage reset, not uninstall, to preserve data. Then escalate to root when available, SU, and remount internal storage read /write with the given mount command so RS can see files. These steps repair permission and mount issues that usually block access. Finish by restarting RS File Manager and checking that folders and files are visible. Make sure media scans complete. If permissions still block access, grant full manage external storage using the package manager command shown, then force stop and reopen the app. Once done, reboot the device to apply mount and permission changes system-wide. Troubleshooting tip: if files remain inaccessible, verify you didn't mount as read-only and check for OEM storage encryption. Revert encryption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.